Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. If you sell designs on Redbubble and want to receive payments via PayPal, this step-by-step tutorial will show you exactly how to connect your PayPal account in 2025. Step 1. Go to redbubble.com and log into your artist account. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then choose Account Settings. Step 3. In the left-hand menu, click Payment Details. Step 4. Under PayPal Email, enter the email address linked to your PayPal account. Step 5. Redbubble will send a verification email to that PayPal address. Step 6. Open your email inbox and click the verification link from Redbubble. Step 7. Once verified, return to Redbubble and check that your PayPal is now marked as confirmed. Step 8. Done. Payments from your sales will now go directly to your PayPal. Use a verified PayPal account to avoid payout issues. Redbubble sends payments once a month when your earnings reach the minimum threshold. That's how to connect PayPal to Redbubble. Like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more creator tools and finance guides.